How to explore trending content on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to explore trending content on Discord, you could use the built-in discovery feature to find popular server, apps, and community activities as well. So if you want to discover public servers, the server discovery tool is primary way to find trending communities based on member counts and activities. All you need to do is just tap on the discover icon or the compass icon at the bottom of the app. So if you scroll down, there you have a plus button. You could go ahead and look for that as well, or else you could also go ahead and look for the compass icon. So once you select that out, you could go ahead and either go ahead and look for gaming, school hub, study group, all that. And this is how you're supposed to go ahead and find trending servers as well. Next, you could also explore trending apps and activities. Discovers or Discord app launcher and app directory highlights popular tools and mini games currently trending across the platform as well. You could use the search bar or scroll down to see collections section, which features popular and trending apps like Wiggle and Rhetoric Phone as well. So this way, you will be able to explore trending content on Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.